What's the meaning of checkbox? Checkbox. Checkbox.
Checkbox. Checkbox. A checkbox is a graphical user interface element that allows the user to select one or more items from a list of options. When a checkbox is selected, it displays a checkmark, indicating that the option has been chosen. The result of selecting checkboxes depends on the program or application being used. In general, selecting a checkbox means that the corresponding option will be included or excluded from a specific action, such as printing a document or applying a filter to a dataset. Checkboxes are commonly used in web forms, software applications, and operating systems.